Hello, my name is Ederson Oliveira and I'll be presenting this video for DNNHere.com, and this is a video review of a module called the DNN Word Editor from a company called Interactive Webs in Australia. And I want to give a big thanks to David Finlay from Interactive Webs who sent me the module so I could review it. So basically this is a module that intends to replace or add to the regular editor that comes with DotNetNuke, and there are certain aspects that I haven't seen yet from the module. I have never installed it, first of all, so everything will be new to me as well. The only thing that I did prior to starting the video was to have a quick look at the installation instructions, but that was it. I have never seen the module in action yet. So as usual, the first step that you have to take when installing any new module is to do a full backup of your .NETNuke website, including the database as well. So make sure that you have a backup fresh that you can restore in case something goes wrong. Now, with this module, I was given a package from David, a zip file, which I have extracted, and there are a couple of different versions that you need to use if you are using certain versions of DotNetNuke. For instance, I mean, the zip file is quite clear which version you should be using, but there's also a help file, a PDF file that is very useful, and you should look at this PDF file in case you're not sure of which version you should install. So please have a look at this PDF as well. But in my case, I'm running a test site, which is .NETNuke version 5.4.1. So I've checked the manual, and I was given the impression that I should use the latest version of the module, which should be compatible with any DNN version 5.2 up. So I will be using this installation package because, again, my version is 5.4.1. So I'm just gonna copy the address here, and I will log into the site as host. We'll install the module as any regular module, but there's something particular if you want to try to install the module, which I'll mention later on in the video. So let's go to host, module settings, and let's install the new module. And let's select this one again because of my version. Let's click open, click next. Now you can ignore file restrictions. They are very clear in the manual. You should ignore that. This warning as well, you should just ignore. Again, you can just move on without any problems related to restriction files. So click next. And now, again, the PDF that I showed, the documentation, does mention this message as well. Not sure why I get that, but again, they just mentioned that I should select repair install. Click next again. Click next. Next again. And accept license. Next. And click return. So now the module is installed, and there is one requirement that we need to check as well, but now from a server point of view. We have to make sure, and I just opened the manual here, that Silverlight extensions are able to be handled by IIS. So MIME types need to be set up under IIS. If you have IIS 7, most likely this will be already taken care of. But if you do have prior versions of IIS, in the manual they do show how to set them up, how to set MIME types to support Silverlight. But in our case, it's pretty much done because I'm running a Windows 7 machine. Okay, so now let's try to use the module for the first time. Let's go, let's say, to the home page, and let's go to the pull down menu, and now I can see here that says I edit in Word So they do mention that in the documentation. Let me click there. Let's see what will happen, because the client needs to have installed an add-on for Word to work properly here. So yeah, they show access this. They say that this will be showing up, and I should click on download Word add-in. Okay, so let's see what will happen when we click download Word add-in. So let's save this. Let's make it run. Yes. Let's install this. It's installing. Microsoft Office customization was successfully installed. Perfect. So let's close this. And now I would assume that we have to click Edit in Word. Open with Microsoft Word. Let's just resize this page so it fits the video. So yes, I can see a new button here at the top that says Publish. Let's give it a shot here. I'm just gonna add text at the beginning, and I'm assuming that if I click Publish here, something will definitely happen. So let's click there. Okay, so now let's go back to the site, and not 100% sure if it did work, but let's click on Return to Page. It's not showing up here. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. Oh yes, I'm doing something wrong. Let's start again from the edited point of view. So let's go back again. Edit in Word. So we don't need to download the Word add-in anymore. So let's just click Edit in Words. Let's open this. Make a small change. And let's click Publish. When I click Publish, this show up. Now I'm assuming that I have to click Upload. And the website settings have not been configured yet, so go to Site Settings. Let's try this. So here it's asking me for a username and password. I'm assuming that this is my username and password for the website. I'm not 100% sure, but let's try that. Let's log in. Let's put the host information that I have. Let's click Update and see how it goes. Record saved. Okay. So let's close this. And let's click Upload again. Upload completed. Let's click on Close. Let me minimize this page here. And I'm assuming that maybe if I click Return to Page, my change will be there. And it is here. So a small change done. It did work just fine, just how it promised. So let me again just give it another shot here. Let me close my words, local words. Let's edit in Word again. Let's edit in Word, click Open, and let me just delete this and maybe put this in bold and put this in italic. Let's see how this goes. Let's click Publish. Again, the pop-up comes up, so let's click Upload. Settings, the username and password is already saved. Let's click Close. And I'm gonna close the Word here. I'm gonna click Return to Page. And perfect, my changes are here. The change that I have done, I have placed this new text. I've put this text in bold. I have put this text in italic. Worked great. That's perfect. David, thank you very much for helping me out to get through this. And this is basically it. This is a video review of DNN Word Editor from Interactive Webs. Thank you.